Now in this chapter, we're talking about expression and factorization of quadratic expressions. Now quadratic expressions are basically expressions with, squares, coefficient of x, for example. So when we say that it is, for example, okay, this kind of expression, we call this a quadratic equation. If I have, for example, ax plus b, this is what I call a linear expression. So linear, okay, and then quadratic. Okay, so this is basically to clarify, and better help you understand what you'll be doing next. Okay, so when you are asked to expand each of the following expressions, let's take a look at how you would do it. Now, there's actually two methods to do it. Okay, now for students who are generally more careless, okay, I will actually go through this method. So this method is more for students who are careless. It's okay if you are careless. I just want you to take, different methods and styles such that you avoid yourself from being careless. Okay, so let's expand it this way. Can see? Okay, so once expanded, you should have a 10, okay, 20 EC minus 50 CF minus 18 DE minus 45, okay, DF. Now, notice what I did? All right, again, outside the bracket, there's a negative, so that's why I changed my sign here. Okay, now for students who want to go a little bit faster, you can actually do what we call the rainbow method. Okay, so rainbow method, you can directly just multiply inwards. Meaning to say, I take negative 10c minus 9d, 2e plus 5f. Okay, let me use the blue color to actually show you what I'm doing for my rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so instantly, you'll be able to get a 20ec minus 50cf minus 18de minus 45df. Okay? Yep, so let's take a look at part D. Now part D, again, okay, if I were you, I would actually just go for the rainbow method. But if you, let's say, you're commonly careless, it's fine. Go for the expanded method, alright? Okay, so let me draw it out here. You have 4t, okay, 4tv. Let's see the first one. Minus away, I'll take 4t multiplied by 8w, right? So I'll have, okay, I have 32tw plus 16t minus 3uv plus 24uw plus 2u. Now please make sure, you see, if let's say it's a 2 times 3, how many terms should you have? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You must have 6. It's as clear as that. Okay, or you can do it this way. v minus 8w plus 4 minus 3u, v minus 8w plus 4. It's just a little bit more lengthy, but your answer will still be the same because you just need to expand inwards. Okay, and remember, because there's a negative here, right? So you have to expand, or rather change the sign inside these brackets. Okay, right. Alright, then let's take a look at 3.1 part B. Okay, that 3.1 part B, again, this is expanding. Now this is even easier. Why? Because it's already written for you this way, correct? Okay, it's just that now you have more terms. That means p cubed, p squared, for example. Okay, so you have 6p cubed minus away 10 p squared cubed minus away 2a cubed. Oh, sorry, this one should be a cube. This one should be a cube. Okay, so it should be 2q squared minus 3p squared cubed. Okay, so therefore, when you combine all of them, you will see that there's actually some like terms, right? Right, sorry, this one you have to change sign because there is a negative. So again, I'm going to highlight, there's a negative in front, you must change sign. Okay, so therefore, combine all the like terms together, you should have 6p cubed minus away 7p squared cubed minus away 2q squared. Okay?